Hello everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. So today I'm create for is the introduction of React. Okay, so where we will dive into the fundamentals of building user the interface with one of the most popular JavaScript library for is the React.js. Okay, so first I am discuss for the what is React. Okay, so React is one of the most popular front-end JavaScript library in the field of web development. Okay. So it is mainly maintained by Facebook and a large community of developers. Okay. So it's also used for in this the it's the React for widely used for the building user interface for UI components for single page applications, and React make it easier to manage and update the UI, providing a more efficient and interactive user experience. Okay, so next point I am discuss for is the why use the React.js. Okay, so the React.js is the key object of React.js is the develop user interface that enhance the speed and performance of applications by using the vital DOM. Okay, so in this the React.js for the key feature for is the components. Okay, so the components for the React applications are building using component, and a component is a reusable self-contained module that represent a part of the user interface. Okay, so in this the component can be nested, making it easy to compose compare UI. Okay, so next second key feature for is the JSX syntax. Okay, so in this, the JSX syntax is the extension for the JavaScript is recommended by Inter is the React. Okay. So basically it looks for the similar to XML or HTML, allowing you to write the HTML elements, and then component is your JavaScript code. Okay. So next key feature for is the virtual DOM. Okay. So in this the React use a virtual DOM to optimize the rendering of components, and instead of the directly updating the real DOM, interact first update a virtual representation of the DOM. Okay. So in this the virtual DOM is then compared with the actual DOM, and only the interface are updated for making the process more efficient. And the next topic for the React.js history. Okay, so in the current version of the React.js is V18.0, and it's released from the April 2022. Okay, and then initial release to the public for was July is 2013. Okay, so in this the React.js was first used in the 2011 for Facebook newsfeed feature. Okay, so now here the current version of the Create React app is released for the 2022. Okay, so here in this the introduction of React.js I am almost discussed is core. Okay, so here in this session I am discussed for the introduction for React, and we have is touched on the core concept of React.js. Okay, so as we progress, we'll explore more advanced topic and build for practical applications. For next tutorial, I am create and install for the React.js. Okay, so follow for in this tutorial. Okay, so stay tuned for the next tutorial. Okay, so thank you for watching, and happy coding.